We could have also played with when using like. We could have also played with this, right? We did %. What happens if we do anything, any single character, right? That makes sense. What happens if we did this? Would that work? Does it require a character? If so, this will give us nothing, right? If underscore requires, nothing. So it means there has to be a character there. So if we wanted Cal, Wa, and Alabama, we got to do it this way. We could do Cal and Wa that way. We could just do Alabama this way. Right, that'll give us Alabama. But this does not work. Gives us nothing. So we got to do that. So you partly learn about this stuff just by experimenting.